Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the set reset block in Panasonic PLC. Basic set reset function already I explained in previous videos, but now I am introducing you a new function of the Panasonic PLC in the category of this is base table instructions you can find. This is here you can see this is the set reset RS just you find in the IEC standard in the library function block. So you can just drop and drag it into in your window, and just you have to be give the addresses. Just click enter, and after this name will be defined. If you like to change this name RS3 means also you can change. That's nothing issue. And now just you have to be define the contacts when you're making the set reset function. Also you can separate lines in ladder. You can write the program, but this Panasonic introduced the just one look like this block where you can easily write the program. It's very simple and easy method. You have to be just give the addresses. I give the first address for set condition x0, and next one more bit I will take. That's I give the name in physical address x1 of my PLC, and output I will be used for the y0 for an example. Any bit you can choose, that's nothing issue. And I will connect this lines to my output. Also you can write it here, but it's for the beauty looking of the program. You can just separate types. Connect this line with this one, and this line you can connect with the also main, and one you can connect. Sorry, again we have to be select the tool and here, and after you can connect this line with here. Sorry, this connection is little wrong. Sorry, this little make it here and connect this one, and here down you can select. But this again we have to be delete, and again we will be selecting the edit tool, and we can select it here. Now it's okay, and this program we will be downloaded into the PLC. Okay, little you can make it bigger, nothing issue. And just we go to the compile button and zero error, zero warning, and cancel this one, and we will try to download into the PLC. Download differences to PLC and run mode. You can just also make it first offline, and also you can write in the online mode. That's nothing issue. Now your program is in online mode, and just when we press the x0, after our output will be goes to set condition, and when we press the x1 button it will be goes to the reset condition. I will press the just x0, and you can see our now signal is finished, but our y0 is now goes into the set condition. Same as look like set reset function, and same as latch and latch, but this is little different type of the flip flop function. The circuit be stable in flip flop circuit. And again now I put the signal at the x1, focus on the y0, it will be go to reset. You can see this is now going to reset. Same as how many programs, how many lines you like to be make, you can easily make it. For example, we will make this program for just control C, and you can make it here down, control V, this you can select it here, and you can changes the addresses for this is for example RS3. This is you can make it 4 and click enter, and this is also this is X0. This addresses you can make it any another for example external memory or internal memory also you can choose, for example M0, and you can choose this you can make it M1 for an example, and this is Y0 also you can make it Y1. Any addresses, just addresses changes, and your program will be ready for the next line. And you can download it into the PLC offline mode, click it again OK. When program writes finished in the run mode, this we will can make it the cancel, and just X0 button we will press. You can see our Y0 is now in set condition, and as we press the X1, this will be goes to reset, and this is M0. We can make it true for the with the program, and our physical output is now Y1 is on, and as we will be make it false this one, and again we will be put the M1, make it internal memory relay, make it on. After our Y1 will be off, again make it false. How many runs you like to make this program, you can easily make the. So hope guys you will be understand about this is flip flop circuit set reset block. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.